Gabriella, what do you have in your hand? Oh yeah?
Chaim. Apple.
Why are you saying l'chaim? Does that mean the same?
Chaim. Apple. Chaim.
Fine for the apple.
Chaim. Apple. Chaim. Apple.
Fine, apple.
Chaim. Apple.
Is the apple good, Gabriella?
Yeah. Apple. 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 Apple.
So cute.
Apple.
Do you want to ask your name?
Apple. Apple.
Do you want to tell Daddy your name?
Apple. Apple.
Apple. Good to see.
Apple.
So
Apple.
cute you are, Gabriella.
Apple.
You eating the apple?
Apple. 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 Apple.
What is that, Gabriella?
Apple.